skills are when the small muscles of the hands, wrists, and fingers coordinate in conjunction with the eye. It affects the ability of your students to write, color, cut, zip, snap, buckle, and all of those things. In this video, I'm going to share with you some fine motor activities that are easy to prep, simple to implement in your classroom, and cheap to boot. Stay tuned. Griffith, and I help teachers to create positive learning experiences for the students in their classroom. So, fine motor skills. I've been thinking about beginning of the year skills that are essential to focus on, and fine motor activities came to mind. Fine motor skills are an important part of student learning that is often overlooked. So let's take a look at the first activity. My first thing is shoestrings and letter beads. Shoelaces can pretty much be found anywhere, but I've learned the hard way that the best ones to use are the ones that I have in the picture right here. The ones that we normally use for sneakers and things are pretty wide. I found that students struggle putting the beads on those type of shoelaces. These alphabet beads can be found at your local Michael's. Also, if you don't have alphabet beads, any kind of beads will do. The next activity is fuzzy sticks and buttons. And I have to admit, I kind of enjoy this activity myself. Kids love this activity. It's a great stress reliever, which is probably why I like it. Sometimes after they have placed the buttons on the pipe cleaners, they like to twist them up and make bracelets and rings out of them as well, which I'm fine with. These supplies can easily be found at your local big box store or someplace like Walmart or Target. We've all seen the lacing cards that you can purchase for fine motor practice, but they're usually kind of expensive and there aren't that many options inside. So I kind of have a hack for that. You can use a pack of accents from the teacher store. You can laminate them or not, punch holes in them, and voila, you've made some lacing card. You can also repurpose some of the shoestrings from the shoelaces and letter beads. The next activity is hole punches. I don't know what it is about hole punches, but my kids love them. So I've accumulated a lot over the years. They make fancy shapes, all kinds of things. Give them some Astro Brights paper, and they are in love with this activity. It will keep them entertained for a very long time. You can grab a variety of hole punches from Walmart, from Michael's. I'll also link some below for you in the description. Check them out. Don't forget to tap the like button if you're getting value. On to the next activity. I think this one is my favorite too. I say that about all of them, but I really do love these activities. So we have pom-poms, tweezers, and ice trays. I usually buy a ton of pom-poms from the craft section. They're pretty cheap. So the pack that I buy normally has different sizes included. They have extra large, extra small, medium, all sizes that you would need. So I grab the pom-poms and I just kind of dump them in a bin. I pass out the fine motor tongs and the ice cube trays, and I just let them go to work. They're basically just using the little tongs to move the pom-poms to the ice cube tray. Next up, we have Play-Doh mats. I think that besides our sensory table, the Play-Doh mats are the second biggest thing in my classroom, because what child doesn't like playing with Play-Doh? I like that it gives them continued fine motor practice as we make progress on mastering the standards throughout the school year. This center is definitely kid approved. I'll link the mats down below for you in the description. So let me know in the comments, what are some of your favorite fine motor activities that you like to use in your classroom? I'll see you guys in the next video.